Nestled on a private 9-acre peninsula with over 3,100 feet of shoreline along Burnett Creek, this 17,000 square foot Hamptons estate is a symphony in coastal modernism. Designed by the renowned Barnes Coy architects, the residence utilizes a clever two-level layout engineered to capture and channel the shifting Hamptons light. Inside, open-plan spaces flow seamlessly, anchored by expansive windows with meticulous trim work that frames serene vistas of Mecox Bay. It is an architectural feat that manages to make a massive footprint feel remarkably connected to its natural surroundings. With 13 bedrooms and an impressive 19 bathrooms, 13 full and 6 half, the home is built for hosting on a grand scale. Manicured pathways wind through the grounds to a private dock, offering direct water access for afternoon sails. The estate features dedicated tennis and basketball courts, a saltwater gunite pool, and a double-decker pool house. This estate balances grand proportions with highly thoughtful design, offering a vibrant, self-contained lifestyle where water, sky, and leisure meet.